Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun. Please subscribe, share, and like, and follow us in our all platform. And thank you for helping us. And I will say hello to Abdullah Sharif in Libya also. My brother, when I start first, I have like 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, doctor and engineer. And I love you all people in Libya and salute and all over the world. Okay, let's go today and check this car. They changed a new airbag control module. They have the old one here. Let me show you. They put a new one. I don't know why. We can reset this one. Or Chrysler, maybe it doesn't require, but already changed it. So we're gonna look at that and see what is the solution for it. But now I'm gonna try to log into it. Okay, I just bought a micropod, the original one. I did not use it yet. Ahmed, give me the new micropod. Because I was doing 2021.
So what?
Give me that micropod.
Huh?
The piece that we bought it, just give it to me. Okay, you see here we have, this is the piece. This is a new car. We have 18 codes. Just let's collect all the information. I don't know if we have, maybe you have to do configuration, or if there's anything that is no good, we will know it. Please subscribe, share, and like, and follow the right way to have all your diagnosis correctly done. Yes. Now, Zero Flash 18 DTC. Let me click here and see what we have. DDM, driver door control module. It's not communicating.
If you don't want to lose this, you gotta put it in a bag.
No, you have a yellow.
No, you have to put it in a bag.
You have a yellow tag here. You have to tighten it. This is a new piece.
Put it in a briefcase.
I just got it. Oh, complete everything. Right?
So
it have its own box. I have it.
Where is it?
I put resistors on it, so I'm gonna mark the resistors, and I put this one. It's a complete bag for it. I don't know why I'm getting this one like this, but we have it. You see, it say that driver door module is not communicating, but it's communicating now. I don't know why. What happened? That's why I was not able to do a job for 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I get mad. I say, you know what? It doesn't make sense. Let me get the original one, and instead of having those, and then from time to time you say it is not possible. So this one, you have to buy it, you have to register it, activate it, and you have to wait 2-3 days before it's gonna work. So this one is working now. I'm gonna wait for it to be active. I will receive an email. Now, what do you need to do? Let me see what DTC I have. Lost communication with occupant. Lost communication with the occupant restraint. Transmission range display. Left side seat deploy equip. Left curtain. Right side seat deployment. Oh my goodness, they have a lot of codes. Passenger seat belt retractor. Driver seat belt. Active. All those are active for the airbag. A lot. Okay, door lock unlock switch, stop, reverse lamp, trunk lamp, right lamp. I don't know why all this code, but he have a brand new. So when you have something new, let me try to clear all this code first. First, let me download all this. Let me clear what they call. I'm gonna go here, and then vehicle scan report, create a PDF. I'm gonna wait the PDF to be ready. Ahmed, can I send this PDF to be printed from here, or I can email it them?
Depend on the Wi-Fi. You have Wi-Fi?
On this, yeah, I have it. Same Wi-Fi.
So print it.
So how many pages?
13 pages.
13. No, I'm not gonna print it. That's too much. So let me just save it here as a PDF. PDF. That's it.
Well,
okay, save. No, I gotta just save.
So
When I go print to PDF. No, let me see print, and then I save. It save it automatically here.
Yeah, save it in your document.
Save. So all the code that I have it here, and all from the same one. Computers are the same. I just want to know if the airbag been written or not. Yes. Occupant is good, so maybe it's not activated yet. What is here? Okay, let me see something now. I gotta go back to topology, DTC, clear all DTC. I'm gonna clear it and then we see what happened. Left side seat deployment skip, left curtain deployment skip, right side seat belt deployment, right side driver, passenger. Oh my goodness, all of them are active. That means that the airbag module have to be programmed. Let me see, close. Let me go to, okay, now driver door module. You say switch, DTC, door lock, unlock, switch stuck. Maybe that one. This is good, but this one, I don't know which one is, but it said door lock, unlock, switch stuck. Okay, so can I clear it? If it doesn't clear, that means have to be fixed. This one is active, no way. If you want to check it again, go here, go to the what, and then driver door. Here you go online automatically. I love about Chrysler. And then you have the driver door module, bus circuit is out of range, incorrect, lock unlock operation, all other switch. The bus is awake. Driver door window, switch lock. Okay. You have to go and look for this is like the procedure of doing it. That's the car. Okay, let me go back to my okay, look here. Okay, I gotta go back here. I cannot do nothing. Okay, let me see here. There's a lot of stuff now. Leave that one, and then I gotta go here, and I want to see, is there anything like configuration? Nothing. Okay, now flash, clear DTC. I cannot clear it. Clear it. They're still there. Okay, they're still there. That means they have a problem. Okay, what do we need to do now? I gotta go to miscellaneous. You have to initialize it. If you replace it, you have to program it. SRS indicator lamp not configured. Passenger airbag disabled lamp not configured. Passenger occupant detection configured. So we have configuration here. So let me go back to configuration. This one here I have nothing to do. We have all this DTC active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 codes. Nobody fixed it. You have to do this. Then you go back. Driver door is gone now. You come back again. So what do you need now? What we need to do now? Nothing except, you see, sometimes you go, sometimes you come. Okay. Let me go to this topology. Go here in the top. Guide. Restore configuration. I'm going to download all the configuration. Setting.
What you doing? We want to get out.
Okay, hold on.
I think you got to come a little bit down.
Okay, I did the reconfiguration on the car, and after I did the reconfiguration, I cleared all the codes. All the codes disappeared. But the airbag light is still on. I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna go by one again. Okay. Driver seat, passenger occupant detection sensor, passenger driver seat belt. All those are codes. That means things have to be taken care of it correctly. There's a problem here. Connect back again. You have to start all over. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. We know what we need to do. I believe like this car have an accident and the people just put everything together just like that. So the more thing that we need to do is to get started by collecting all these codes and start fixing it one by one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.